Hello guys and welcome to another video. So let's do the unboxing of a pair of SONOS ONE SL speakers which I bought for my 65-inch TV. I already bought a pair for my 86-inch TV, so you can see the link. You can see the video in link of the video in description, where I unboxed the whole sound system from SONOS. And let's open these two SONOS speakers again for my smaller TV, 65-inch. And I will use them as a surrounding speakers. I have already installed the Arc and Sub, and now I need two more surrounding speakers. So let's unbox it. And a pair of SONOS ONE SL speakers cost like $420 or 410 to 20 euros. So let's unbox. Instruction book, and you can see the seal. You get the power cable. So let's open the other one. Instruction book. And the power cable. So let's install them on the stands. Thank you for watching my video and see you in next video. Bye bye.